Hello students, today we will study concept of hidden goodwill. Sometimes the value of goodwill on admission of a new partner is not given in the problem. We have studied various problems of admission of partner and we all know that the new partner brings certain sum of amount as capital in the business and there is certain sum of goodwill of that partner, new partner. This value of goodwill will not be given in the problem, so this goodwill is called as hidden goodwill. We have to calculate the firm's goodwill and then we have to calculate that new partner's share of goodwill from that firm's goodwill. So calculation of hidden goodwill. गुडविल प्रॉब्लेममध्ये दिलेलं नसेल तर नवीन पार्टनरनी ते रोख पैशात आणलेलं असेल किंवा ते रेज करायला सांगितलेलं असेल. इन एनी केस आपल्याला फर्मचं गुडविल माहीत असावं लागतं आणि त्याच्यावरून आपण न्यू पार्टनरचं गुडविल काढू शकतो किंवा न्यू पार्टनरचं गुडविल दिलेलंच असतं प्रॉब्लेममध्ये. असं काहीच जर प्रॉब्लेममध्ये दिलेलं नसेल तर आपल्याला गुडविल कॅल्क्युलेट करावं लागतं, ज्याला हिडन गुडविल असं म्हणतात, असं मी आत्ता सांगितलं तुम्हाला. सो ते कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे बघा. कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ हिडन गुडविल. फर्स्ट यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट नेट वर्थ on the basis of capital brought in by new partner. Means this is the total capital of the firm on the basis of new partner's capital. For that we have to make the multiplication of new partner's capital and reciprocal of his share. Means if new partner is admitted for 1/4 share, then the reciprocal of 1/4 will be 4/1. So new partner's capital into 4/1 will be the total capital on the basis of new partner's capital. From that we have to deduct net worth of the constituted firm. Means capital account balances after other adjustments of old partners plus capital of new partner. आता परत एकदा समजावते बघा. नवीन पार्टनरनी कॅपिटल किती आणलंय हे प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सांगितलेलं असतं. हे नवीन पार्टनरनी आणलेलं कॅपिटल इंटू रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ हिज शेअर इज इक्वल टू नेट वर्थ ऑर टोटल कॅपिटल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कॅपिटल ब्रॉट इन बाय द न्यू पार्टनर. या कॅपिटलमधून आपल्याला, या टोटल कॅपिटलमधून आपल्याला डिडक्ट करायचं आहे नेट वर्थ ऑफ द रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड फर्म. म्हणजे आपण पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट ॲडमिशनच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये तयार केलेलं आहे. या पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंटमध्ये गुडविल सोडून बाकीच्या ॲडजस्टमेंट करून झाल्यानंतर त्याचा बॅलन्स काढून घ्यायचा अँड दॅट बॅलन्स इज नोन ॲज ॲडजस्टेड कॅपिटल. वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट धिस ॲडजस्टेड कॅपिटल अँड टोटल ऑफ धिस ॲडजस्टेड कॅपिटल वी विल डिडक्ट फ्रॉम द टोटल कॅपिटल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कॅपिटल ब्रॉट इन बाय द न्यू पार्टनर. ओके, and this will be the value of goodwill. Understood? See here, one note is given. The capitals of old partners will have to be adjusted with any reserve or any undistributed profit and gain or loss on revaluation of assets and liabilities on the date of admission. Capitals of old partners can also be calculated by subtracting outsiders liabilities from sundry assets. कॅपिटल अकाउंट ॲडजस्ट करून आणि फुल प्रॉब्लेम नसेल, जर 3 आणि 4 मार्क्सला प्रॉब्लेम येणार असेल तर तुम्हाला लायबिलिटीज आणि ॲसेट्स वगैरे दिलेले असतात, त्याच्यावरून तुम्ही कॅपिटल काढू शकता. बिकॉज वी नो द बेसिक अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन दॅट इज ॲसेट्स इज इक्वल टू लायबिलिटीज प्लस कॅपिटल. सो वी कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट कॅपिटल इफ अमाउंट ऑफ लायबिलिटीज अँड सन्ड्री ॲसेट्स आर गिवन टू अस. ओके, विल टेक वन एक्झाम्पल हियर. सी हियर. Suppose A and B are partners with capitals of rupees 4 lakhs and 3 lakhs respectively. They admitted C into partnership with 1/5 share of profit who brings 2 lakhs as capital. Here we are required to calculate goodwill of the firm first and then C's share of goodwill because amount of goodwill is not given in the problem. How to calculate it? See here. First we have to calculate total capital of all the partners on the basis of new partners capital. New partners capital is 2 lakh. So total capital of the new firm on the basis of C's capital is equal to 2 lakhs into reciprocal of his shares, which is 1/5. That is 2 lakhs into 5 upon 1. So total capital of the new firm should be 10 lakhs. But in reality, A's capital 4 lakhs plus 3 lakhs B's capital and plus C's capital 2 lakhs. The total is 9 lakhs. म्हणजे शेअर प्रमाणे बघायला गेलं तर फर्मचं टोटल कॅपिटल 10 lakhs रुपीज असलं पाहिजे, पण इन रियालिटी ए आणि बीचं कॅपिटल 4 आणि 3 लाख आहे आणि सीचं कॅपिटल तो 2 लाखच आणतोय, म्हणजे 9 lakhsच टोटल होते. द डिफरन्स बिटवीन 10 lakhs अँड 9 lakhs इज रुपीज 1 lakh and this is the hidden goodwill of the firm. So 1 lakh will be the hidden goodwill of the firm. From that we can calculate C's share of goodwill. So C's share of goodwill is equal to firm's goodwill into C's share. Firm's goodwill 1 lakh into C's share 1/5. So share of goodwill will be 1/5 of rupees 1 lakh. That is rupees 20,000. Understood? In this way we can calculate hidden goodwill and admitting partners share of goodwill. We will study 2-3 examples here. See this problem. A and B are partners with capitals of rupees 90,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively. They decided to admit C into partnership for 1/4 share in future profits. C is to bring in a sum of rupees 80,000 as his capital. Calculate amount of goodwill. Here new partners capital is given but goodwill amount is not given, so we have to calculate capital. Without seeing the solution you can calculate, means you can solve this problem. A and B's capital is 90,000 and 1 lakh and C's share is 1/4. C is bringing 80,000 as his capital. So total capital of the firm on the basis of C's capital will be C's capital, that is 80,000, into reciprocal of his share, that is 4 upon 1. So it is 3,20,000. From that we have to deduct adjusted capital, means total capital. Here no other adjustment is given. कॅपिटल अकाउंटला करण्याच्या इतर ॲडजस्टमेंट्स म्हणजे जनरल रिझर्व डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करणं, प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करणं, रिव्हॅल्युएशन अकाउंट बॅलन्सिंग करून त्याचा बॅलन्स कॅपिटल अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर करणं, या इतर ॲडजस्टमेंट दिलेल्या असतील तर या सगळ्या ॲडजस्टमेंट करून झाल्यानंतर जे ॲडजस्टेड कॅपिटल येतं ते ॲडजस्टेड कॅपिटल आणि नवीन पार्टनरने आणलेलं कॅपिटल या सगळ्याची टोटल म्हणजे टोटल ॲडजस्टेड कॅपिटल, मीन्स टोटल एक्झिस्टिंग कॅपिटल, ॲक्च्युअल कॅपिटल ऑफ द फर्म. So in this problem no other adjustment is given, so 90,000 A's capital plus 1 lakh B's capital plus C's capital 80,000, so total is 2,70,000. We have to deduct 2,70,000 from 3,20,000, so firm's goodwill will be 50,000. आता जर आपल्याला सांगितलेलं असेल की C's share of goodwill काढा, तर C's share of goodwill will be firm's goodwill 50,000 into C's share 1/4. Understood? So it will be 12,500. Next problem now. Saloni and Shrishti were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 7:3. Their capitals were 2 lakhs and rupees 1,50,000 respectively. They admitted Aditi on 1st April 2013 as a new partner for 1/6 share in future profits. Aditi brought rupees 1 lakh as her capital. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm and record necessary journal entries for the above transactions on Aditi's admission. So here these journal entries are given. First we have to calculate the goodwill of the firm and Aditi's share of goodwill. As in this problem sacrifice ratio of partners is not given or sacrificing details are not given, then the sacrificing ratio will be same as the old ratio. So old ratio is 7:3, their sacrificing ratio is also 7:3. Now we will calculate hidden goodwill just like last problem. First we have to calculate total capital of the firm on the basis of Aditi's capital. So Aditi's capital into reciprocal of her share. So 1 lakh into 6/1, that is 6 lakhs. From that we will deduct total existing capitals of Saloni, Srishti and Aditi. So 2 lakhs plus 1,50,000 plus 1 lakh, that is 4,50,000. Difference is 1,50,000 which is firm's goodwill. Now we have to calculate Aditi's share of goodwill. So firm's goodwill 1,50,000 into Aditi's share 1/6. So it is 25,000. So Aditi's share of goodwill is 25,000. अदितीचा गुडविलचा शेअर कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला आहे आणि प्रॉब्लेममध्ये अदिती रोख पैशात गुडविल आणते असं सांगितलेलं नाही. शी इज नॉट ब्रिंगिंग द गुडविल इन कॅश. शी इज ओनली ब्रिंगिंग हर कॅपिटल ₹1 lakh. So we have to adjust her share of goodwill and we know how to adjust it. Gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. So Aditi is the gaining partner. Aditi's capital account debit to Saloni and Shrishti's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. So first entry will be of Aditi brought capital in cash, which is cash account debit to Aditi's capital account or bank account debit to Aditi's capital account ₹1 lakh. जर गुडविल पण रोख पैशात आणलेलं असतं, गुडविल ब्रॉट इन कॅश असं सांगितलेलं असतं, तर एंट्री बँक अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल प्रीमियम अकाउंट अशी झाली असती आणि नंतर ॲडजस्टमेंटची झाली असती. पण इथे ती रोख पैशात गुडविल आणत नाही आहे, त्यामुळे गेनिंग पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू सॅक्रिफायसिंग पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट अशी एंट्री होईल. सो अदितीज कॅपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 25,000 टू सलोनीज कॅपिटल अकाउंट 17,500 टू सृष्टीज कॅपिटल अकाउंट 7,500 अशी एंट्री होईल. बिईंग द क्रेडिट गिवन फॉर गुडविल टू सलोनी अँड सृष्टी इन द सॅक्रिफायसिंग रेशो. ओके, सो वी हॅव टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लेम like this. Now the next problem. Hidden goodwill when capitals are fixed. Actually this concept is easy. आपण फिक्स कॅपिटल मेथड, फ्लक्च्युएटिंग कॅपिटल मेथड, पार्टनरशिप फंडामेंटलमध्ये शिकलेलो आहोत. ओनली वी हॅव टू यूज द वर्ड करंट अकाउंट इन्स्टेड ऑफ कॅपिटल अकाउंट. दिस इज द थिंग. Sumit and Puneet are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. The fixed capital of Sumit is 2,40,000 and Puneet 1,50,000. On 1st April, they admitted Kashish as a new partner for 1/5 share in future profit. Kashish brought ₹1,50,000 as her capital. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm and record necessary journal entries on Kashish admission. First entry will be of Kashish brought ₹1,50,000 as her capital. So bank account debit to Kashish capital account 1,50,000. Then for goodwill, first we will calculate the value of goodwill, that is firm's goodwill. Then we will calculate Kashish share of goodwill and then we will pass this entry. Gaining partners current account debit to sacrificing partners current account as their capitals are fixed. So Kashish current account debit to Sumit's current account to Puneet's current account. Here the amount of goodwill is given 42,000. See the working note. Just like last problems, we have to calculate hidden goodwill. Total capital of the new firm on the basis of Kashish capital is, Kashish येताना 1,50,000 capital आणते into reciprocal of her share, that is 5/1. So it is 7,50,000. Now total existing capital is addition of Sumit, Puneet and Kashish capital 2,40,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 1,50,000 which is 5,40,000. So difference is the firm's goodwill, that is 2,10,000 and Kashish share of goodwill is equal to 2,10,000 into 1/5. So the Kashish share of goodwill is 42,000. Now this goodwill is to be adjusted in sacrificing ratio, just like last problem. As sacrifice is not given, old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio, so it is 3:2. So this entry has been passed. Understood? And now the last problem, today's last problem of hidden goodwill. A and B were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet is given, liabilities and assets. See the liabilities and asset side. Then they told us that they admitted C as a partner with 1/5 share in profits. C brings in rupees 70,000 as his capital. Give the necessary journal entries for the adjustment of goodwill. So here also the amount of goodwill is not given. So we have to calculate goodwill here. Now in this problem, only capital amounts will not be taken while calculating hidden goodwill, because we have to take adjusted capital. See here, calculation of goodwill. Partners capital account is prepared. Balance of capital by balance brought down. Then distribution of general reserve. Then distribution of profit and loss account. Then existing goodwill written off, which is given in the problem 10,000. It should be written off between the partners. हे आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. गुडविल रिटर्न ऑफची एंट्री पण आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. एज कॅपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, बीज कॅपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल अकाउंट. सो हियर in this capital account, two goodwill 6,000 and 4,000, and then they have balanced this capital account. The balance is 1,60,000 and 84,000. This is the adjusted capital of old partners, that is A and B, and the new partner is bringing rupees 70,000 as her capital, as his capital. Bank account debit to C's capital account 70,000. तो 70,000 रुपये कॅपिटल आणतो येताना. सो हिडन गुडविल कसं काढायचं आहे बघा. तर पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला काढायचं आहे नेटवर्थ, म्हणजे टोटल कॅपिटल ऑफ द न्यू फर्म ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सीज कॅपिटल, दॅट इज 70,000 इंटू रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ हिज शेअर, दॅट इज 5/1. सो इट इज 3,50,000. आता त्याच्यातून आपल्याला डिडक्ट करायचं आहे ॲडजस्टेड कॅपिटल ऑफ ओल्ड पार्टनर्स प्लस नवीन पार्टनर्सचं कॅपिटल. ॲडजस्टेड कॅपिटल आपण आत्ताच बघितलं या कॅपिटल अकाउंटमध्ये 1,16,000 प्लस 84,000 आणि नवीन पार्टनरचं कॅपिटल 70,000. सो टोटल एक्झिस्टिंग कॅपिटल ऑफ ए, बी अँड सी इज 2,70,000. डिफरन्स बिटवीन 3,50,000 अँड 2,70,000 इज 80,000, विच इज फर्म्स गुडविल. अँड सीज शेअर ऑफ गुडविल विल बी फर्म्स गुडविल इंटू हिज शेअर. सो 80,000 इंटू 1/5, that is 16,000. So we have to pass 3 entries here. First entry will be of existing goodwill written off. Study this entry. Second entry will be of the amount of capital brought in by C, and third entry will be of adjustment of goodwill between the partners, that is gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio, which is same as old ratio. Okay, now solve all these problems in your notebook and study this concept. If there is any doubt, you can ask. That's all.